Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. This is the 2018 Ford F-150. Stock number is T18300. Take notice of the exterior condition. No dings, no dents, no scrapes, no scratches. FX4 Off-Road Package Edition. I'm going to take you and put you in the rear interior. First the front. Here's a shot of the rear right there. No rips, no tears, no stains on the interior. Ample legroom in the rear. Brand new truck, 2018, so you know this has got to be a good deal. For more information, call us, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.